这边更好吃了。
这个是 Black Forest
不是，这个是什么？charcoal 的 cake。
一包
几趟几样？
一包，一桶一片。
Okay, today I'm on site to check on the status of everything. Like every now and then I will check lah to make sure everything is going as planned. So today, before we do anything, I think we should check out the very nice view. Okay, today's weather is very, very good. Still, people are jingboing. I also jingboing. Okay, so today I see the backsplash is up. Okay, this backsplash actually at first it was just until like here before the bay window, but we realized it's very short lah. Visually it's very short, and client would like to extend all the way until there. So I think it's nice to have a wider span of big backsplash. So this backsplash is important because we are going to have a feature decoration here. I won't tell you what, but it's going to be very unusual for a kitchen. Okay, then okay, all this chart already. Okay, so now eventually, right, we will have our fridge here and a cabinet here to hide the DB box, and then we will eventually have some other appliances everywhere. Okay, as you can see, it's in a mess. Okay, so the rest of the things we chart already lah. Previously there was the aircon here, but now we're going to shift position so that our wall will be all the way with the thin panels. So thin panels lah. Oh. And this is the thing that makes all your yummy cakes. And ta-da! The toilet is 3/4 done. That day when I posted the tiles, right, and then a lot of people thought there are patterns on the tiles, like some white streak, mysterious looking cho looking streak, but it's not. The tiles are solid. Hello, solid. The thing came from dirt, like this. So it's very funny. But I prefer clean looking tiles lah, like this. Okay. Because the toilet is small. If we have different type of tiles, imagine like let's say this one niche is one type, and then the rest are another type. Then the whole toilet will be smaller, which is not what I want. So, yeah, I want the entire toilet to be clad in this black beveled subway tile. Okay, then anything that is gold will stand out, like our gold plate for concealed shower. Then we will have a gold rain shower head, gold rimmed lights, because our top will be painted in black. So everything is all Lulu lah. So the only thing that won't be gold will be the toilet bowl, because it's going to be black, and the actuator for the flush, which will be in black as well. But the rest, right, here we'll have a gold mirror, like sun ray like that. Okay, then we'll have a gold vintage sink. Oh, the vintage sink, I'm looking very forward to it, because the thing is chill until, yeah. So then the floor, right, is going to be in more black and white geometric pattern. Let me show you. Ta-da! This tile. Okay, at first it's not this tile, but Singapore's market is really, really small until what I want is don't have. That or the tiles, the patterns are too huge. And I want to make sure that whatever I choose, right, because I want the whole floor, because the whole toilet is so small, right, I want the entire floor to be one type of tile. So that visually it looks more, it looks bigger, more seamless, okay? Hence, I in the end, I decided to go for this tile, which I've used before lah. Why this tile? Not only because of the black and white quality, but also because of the texture. It is rough. So whether or not my client is in the shower, right, or walking out, the danger of slipping and falling is minimized. So this is important to me, especially when my client stays alone. I don't want any mishap to happen to him lah. So yeah, better be safe than sorry. Still chill the tile, but minus the falling hazard. Okay, and the rest are all painted in black already. Including the ceiling. Okay. So every time my contractor will ask, so 有黑色啊 ceiling 也是有黑色啊 like very concerned that the ceiling will be 黑色 but I think 黑色 there's nothing wrong with 黑色 ceiling lah, honestly, you know. Plus we will have track lights track light, the track is black but the holders, the light holders are in gold. Yeah, so we are good. And then we're gonna have wallpaper here. Nice, chill, preppy looking wallpaper. And also a feature here. There is more unexpected one. So you can look forward to that. And here, instead of having the regular wardrobe, right, we will have a small dresser and then an overhanging rod, gold rod. According to my client, it looks like Dior hanging rod, but to me it's just hanging rod. I'm not very into fashion and I don't know all this. So the Dior clothes hanging rod. Yep. So you can see from here, the very nice backsplash. We want the details actually to be on the two sides. Because of we're going to have a feature decor here. So that's why I arranged with the Taula uncle to have the patterns, the stronger patterns at the side. So eventually when we zeng the decor, right, what's covered is just the more basic patterns of the tile, whereas all the 重点 are all at the side. Yep, so looking good. And then we'll have a niche here lah. Okay, this niche is like a frame of sorts to frame up the very nice scenery that we have. So imagine it will be like a C shape, a niche, okay, clad in black laminate. So then my client's guests can all sit around here, the dining table, and the guests will sit there on the bay window inside the nook, inside this niche or nook, whatever you call that. And then the rest will sit outside around the table. Yeah. So here, I say will be our TV and TV console and the very sexy tin panels. Yeah, finally, nothing done to the balcony yet because if anything, that should be the last thing. Probably going to do decking and likely going to have bar table so that my client can stand around so there won't be any more like chill out chair and all that, because chill out chair usually for outdoor furniture, the chairs are not sexy. If it's weatherproof, it's not sexy. So my client has decided he prefer bar tables. Okay, so that is what we're gonna have. Super nice weather. How nice if you don't have to work. So as I mentioned that time in one of my posts, right? This house may be small, but it it is jam-packed with details. Hence, every single thing needs to be ordered and bought. And before that, of course, with all the purchases, right, we need to do measurements lah, make sure they are okay and all that. So it's a lot of tai chi. So it doesn't mean small house then is easy to do. Small is lagi difficult to do. Okay, small means you will need to maximize the visual impact in a small space. So yep, let's see how it goes. But anyway, important things are all ordered already lah. So just waiting for them to come, or just waiting for the orders to be screwed up. As always, this easy buy it's always screwing up my thing. So now I don't want to order through easy buy already. I am ordering direct from Taobao. So let's see how it goes. We update again.